In engineering, the ability to manufacture is not the real problem. Any shape, any idea, any level of complexity can be made. But the real question is not, can we make it? The real question is, do we have the time? Do we have the money? Do we have the right equipment? Or do we have the proper resources overall? Someone might ask, what do you mean by resources? Resources are not just the money. Resources include everything we just mentioned, especially time. Let's take a simple example. You can manufacture a part in 5 minutes, or you can manufacture the same part in 1 hour. How? Instead of standard machining with wider tolerances, we start adding finishing operations, polishing, grinding, and higher precision measurement. And the result, longer time, of course, but gives you higher accuracy, smoother surface, better cosmetic quality. But it also means much higher manufacturing cost. So yes, you achieve the higher quality, but the real question is, does the product's function actually require that level of quality or not? Let's talk about money. We can make the part from regular aluminum available and affordable, or we can make it from titanium or higher grade stainless steel. Yes, the material is better, but does the product really need those extra properties or not? Quality beyond the functional need equal unnecessary cost. We can drill a hole using a standard drill, or we can use EDM or laser machining. EDM or laser machining, incredible precision, but on the other hand, slow, expensive, requires special equipment. Standard drilling, faster, cheaper, perfectly fine if tolerances allow. So what does this mean? The more resources we use, yes, quality can increase, but cost and the time increase too. Which brings us to the key idea: we can manufacture any design, but the real question is, are we using resources in a way that makes sense for the product's function or not? And that's what makes a product economically smart and successful. And this is exactly what DFMA is about. DFMA makes you think while designing. Are you using resources logically for the product's function, or are you designing something more expensive and more complex than necessary? Engineering is not about achieving the highest possible quality. Engineering about achieving the required quality using the minimum necessary resources. Many people overlook this, but did you know that around 70% of a product's cost is determined during the design stage? Not 70% of the money spent immediately, but 70% of the money the design forces the factory to spend later. And the remaining 30% usually comes from raw material, labor, factory overhead, inspection and rework. But even those are driven by design decisions. Design writes the manufacturing script, like the materials, tolerances, processes, surface finishes, and quality requirements. That's why when companies says we want to reduce product cost, increase profit, and improve quality, the real work doesn't happen in the factory, it happened in the design stage. The problem is that many people think cost reductions means pushing the factory harder or increasing production speed, but the biggest savings come from designing correctly from the start. And that is exactly what we will explore in DFMA: how to design products that are easy to manufacture and assemble, using fewer resources while achieving the quality that's required, not the highest quality possible.